Hi guys, and welcome to the video. If you're watching this, you've probably got a problem with your Volkswagen Polo heater fan only working on number 4. The reason why it only works number 4 is the resistor, the heater resistor that's in the glove box located with the fan. They fail quite regularly, so and it only works on number 4 because that's what sends the full 12 volt feed through to the fan. So what we're going to do is we're going to replace it. But before I go on with that, if you can do me a favour, if you can like this video and subscribe to the channel, it doesn't cost you anything, but it helps me know what's good and what's helpful and other videos that I can make. So if you can do that, I'll get the glove box out. So we need to take off the corner trim panel here. We need to take out all this rubbish that's in here. More rubbish. Done. Right. Here we have our multi-bit set screwdriver. We'll have a quick look. So we've got one top right hand corner here. This thing's a bit broken here. And then we've got 3 at the top, 1 at the back there. They all look like they're about a T20. 1, 2, 3. 1 in the middle at the back. 4. 1 at the top right. 5. Got 1 in the bottom left, just up here. And there's 1 on the bottom right. So, take off the side trim panel. That frees up this section here. And we take that out. Got a clip here for the tire pressure. Right, just going to leave that here. Just going to leave it hanging like that. So here's the new part that we've got. Muro car parts, EIS, energy. Just make sure it is the same one as it is. It looks pretty good. That's the new one we're going to be replacing it with. We've got a bit of foam in the back here. That's going to reveal the box. So with all that out of the way now, we've got the box here. This is the fan. Then up here, just here, that is the resistor pack that we need to remove. So we're going to take off the wiring from the top and rotate it and get that out. There we go, there we go. So now we have it here. So here we have it here, still attached, removed from the bit behind, so we can just change the plug over and then put it back in. Right, so we'll undo the 2 bits on the side. There's the old one, nicely. Here's the new one. Only going one way. There we go. Right. So there we go. The new fan switch has all been installed. And then we'll just give it a test. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there we go. As we were saying, the fan switch is located up here in the corner up there. Here's the fan. Glove box obviously has to come out. Glove box back in. There we go. So guys, if this was helpful with you to either do it yourself or try and diagnose of what's going on with your fan, then please do like and subscribe to the channel, because any other videos or any other problems you have with your cars, leave them in the comments and I'll try and help you out with it. But for now, catch you next time.